There was once a young girl named Sarah. Life had never been easy for her. She came from a very poor family, where sometimes there wasn't enough food on the table. She dreamed of studying and becoming a doctor, but every step forward felt like climbing a mountain. One day, after failing an important exam, she sat under a tree and cried. She thought, maybe I am not strong enough. Maybe this dream is too big for me. An old teacher passing by saw her tears and sat beside her. He asked gently, "Why are you crying, child?" Sarah replied, "Because life keeps pushing me down. Every time I try to move forward, struggles hold me back." The teacher smiled and picked up a small stone from the ground. He said, "Look at this stone. When it is thrown into water, it sinks. But when the same stone is carved and polished, it becomes a diamond that shines forever." Struggles are life's way of polishing you. Those words struck her heart. She wiped her tears and decided, "I will not give up. My struggles will not break me. They will make me stronger." Years later, Sarah became the first doctor in her village. She stood tall and said with pride, "Struggles taught me that pain is temporary, but the strength you gain from it lasts forever." Lesson: struggles are not enemies, they are teachers. Face them with courage, and they will shape you into the person you are meant to be.